Gunner states, my Browning 22 will not go back together. Now, this is the second video and follow-up to the Browning SA-22 rifle, and this gun was having an issue with the takedown mechanism and the latch that holds the two pieces in place. Now, our gunsmiths did take this apart. They did a little bit to the latch system and got it fit and working correctly. So now it solidly latches into place to hold the gun together, as well as disengages for disassembly very, very easily. Now, the customer also requested that we replace the spring-loaded mag tube, and so we got a new one, got that installed, and now this gun is ready to rock and go back out to the customer for some plinking.